Isometric projection. Isometric projection is a pictorial method of drawing. The lines are drawn at angle 90 degrees and 30 degrees. All vertical lines are 90 degrees, while all slant lines are drawn at 30 degrees. As with all drawings, it is better to draw first with faint lines to ensure that everything is correct before drawing with thick lines. But if you can draw accurately, then you can start your work with thick line. So the main thing is that isometric projection are drawn at angle 30 degrees and 90 degrees, and they are calibrated in millimeter. So you have to convert to centimeter so that when drawing it will be easier for you. So let's move over to the drawing and perfect what we've learned. So at this point you're having 1 centimeter. Then you will just keep using your protractor, because you always use this line, and this two line must touch your straight diameter or those points so that you can have your correct measurement. So using your protractor, this is where the end is, this is where the end part is. So you just measure 1 centimeter here, come to this end part, and you mark off. And you just come to somewhere here, just let it be in that end part, then mark off. Good. Then use your protractor at this point, at this top point where you measure your 1 centimeter. You will carry your protractor now. You will make sure this straight line is touching that point you marked, and this other straight line is touching the point you marked. This is the point. So this straight line is along that side. This one is already there and is there. So this will tell us that we are going to have an accurate measurement. So mark off our 30 degrees here. Mark off our 30 degrees here. So we'll measure our 4 centimeter. As you can see, it's giving us 1 centimeter. The same 1 centimeter we have here, the same 1 centimeter we have here. So our drawing is correct. 6 centimeter. So we join the 2 points together. We always use join it, make sure it's giving us 90 degrees. So we've gotten this part, which you can see is exactly correct. So at this part here, we'll come and measure again. Now to have this other line, we have to measure 30 degrees in this part using our protractor. So to know if our protractor is actually like stable or correct, since we come and measure here, here is giving us 3 centimeter. Distance from this top to the baseline is 3 centimeter. So our protractor, this is the end part, this is the end part. So we'll come somewhere here using our roller, come to this part somewhere here and measure 1 centimeter and 3 centimeter rather. Then somewhere here and measure 3 centimeter. So using our protractor, we place it at that point. Place it at that point. So this is where our point is. We adjust it. Let this straight line touch the point, and this straight line we can see it is close to the point. So mark off our 30 degrees. Centimeter, draw a line of 6 centimeter, which is here. Good. So we join that line of 6 centimeter. So we have to join this place so that to be closed. We'll check this side. He has given us 4 centimeter. Here is giving us 4 centimeters, you can see. Here also giving us 4 centimeters, you can see. Also check this other side, left hand side. Here is giving us 6 centimeter. Here is also giving us 6 centimeter. Here is also giving us 6 centimeter to tell us that our work is accurate. hope you enjoyed the video. Do well to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.